Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Aaron here with Simply New England Off-Road, bringing you a third product from Kemimoto. Again, I want to do a shout out to Kemimoto. Thank you for sending me these products. After this one here, I believe I've got two more that I'll be showing you, but again, I'm not going to let you know what those are yet. So right now, if you look at the Z950, everything that's on here so far, you've got the Kemimoto interior bags, you've got the Kemimoto middle bag here, which can go, again, all these can fit on your 21, 22s, and 23s. We have the Kemimoto netting back here, keeping a cooler cabin. And now what we have, no, not Kemimoto mirrors, we have a Kemimoto rooftop. Velcro's in, straps in, works nicely. Keeps everything cool. The thing that I like about this the most, let me show you here. Let me go around the other side. So we've got the roof here. The old roof is off. Now we have the new Kemimoto roof on. You got Velcro straps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12, I think 13. So 13 straps that go all the way around. The piece here, right here, comes all the way down. Keep some stuff coming in and dripping in on you. And of course, you can stretch these out a little bit more if you want and pull them a little more taut than I did. But for the purpose of the video, I wanted at least to show you where we're at. So here's my favorite part about this. You ready? Let's take this here, the zipper, open this up, simply fold this back. So as you do that, these straps will reveal themselves, and there's a little slot right up here that you slide this in, pull it around, Velcro it into itself. Same thing here. And look at that. Now you've got a sunroof. It's perfect. Already just sitting here, opening that up, I'm already getting a cool down breeze in here. So I can imagine even with the windshield on, if I'm riding down through a trail and the wind and the breeze is coming in through here, it's being allowed to float right out back. I'm getting circulation. As we know, because I hate to complain about CFMOTO because I really enjoy their product, the interior of these can get really hot. It's something I'm hoping in future years that they'll work on. Now again, this is a 2021. Maybe that's something that's been fixed in 2023. I'm not sure. I'm holding out till next year. I did decide I'm going to probably go with the 2024 model of this machine. I just want to see what they're going to release. All right, let me give you a little bit more detail about this. This thing is UV resistant, it's waterproof, helps for defoliation. So if you didn't have a roof at all and you put this on there, of course, if you have to store it outside, with this closed, it's going to help keeping the sun from coming in and discoloring your machine. It runs about $50. I think it's like $49.98. So it's not bad. I got to tell you, looking at this and sitting inside here, I'm actually really impressed with the quality. It's thick. These zippers are really nice. The mesh, I'm pretty sure it's the same type of mesh. This actually feels a little bit stronger than this here. This is a little bit more netty and springy, where this seems to be a little bit more taut and stiff. But it's great. And again, to close it, all you got to do is just pull this. If it starts to rain on you when you're going down the trails, or you're getting too much sun on your head, you can do it from either side. There you go. Or you can come over here. If for some reason you only want it half open, you can do that if you want, because you can strap this back into here. And then again, the zippers, both sides have zippers, so you can either meet in the middle, or to ensure that the rain doesn't drip on you, come all the way back. Now it's fully enclosed. So guys, that's what I have for you today. Again, the Kemimoto weatherproof, sunproof, waterproof, sun roof. I'm going to leave you a link down in the video description section. I'll also leave you a link in the comment section if I remember after I create the video. But you'll definitely find that link in the video description. I'm also going to leave you the link for the 3-star windshield in case that's something that you're interested in. And one more time, I just want to thank you, Kemimoto. Looking forward to the next 2 installs. And guys, this is number 3 of the must-have items for your ZForce 950. Aaron here, Simply New England Off-Road. I will see you on the trails.
you.